Right, welcome back to Shed Tune, and we're back in HQ, and we've been away for a little while because we've had lots of stuff going on. Noisy's still over there, messing about with the forks, which I think we're going to finish off today. And obviously the cut down project has stalled a little bit because we've had other stuff going on. But we're back. We've had some more stickers in, which we'll show you in a minute. And we'll put them up on the sticker board. Over there doing some work. So the plan for today is that now Dom's managed to get everything set up how he wants it to be set up with the laser leveler.
We can actually weld the tabs on.
Oh right, we're going to weld those tabs on, which he's obviously made very, very nice. And then, well, and then they'll be done.
Yeah, it will be.
Easy, won't it? Oh no, there won't be, because you've got to make those. You've got to use the lathe. And for those and for those of you that have been watching a while, you know how excellent Dom is on the lathe. I'll insert a little clip here of his previous efforts.
Wow, thanks. Hey, fucker. More what you want to happen?
Oh my god, that was shit. There we go. So we've had stickers in from Maidstone Jester Scooter Club and Joker's SC from Norwich. Thank you very much. They're going to go up on the sticker board. Tom's turning on the laser to check that he's got everything set before we weld anything. He's either having a shit or he's trying to line something up.
I'm having a shit. At least tack it. Oh, that always works. Oh, you fucker.
Take two. Because he's happy. Where is he? Pretty straight. Weld-a-thon. These are good.
Fuckers ain't going anywhere.
Alright, aren't they? Like I say, once you clean them up, they'll be spot on. Ooh, smoking.
Yeah.
So it moved about 2 mil.
Yeah. But let it cool down.
And then it's hammer time. What are we doing next, Dom?
Clean them up. Make my welds look pretty.
Is that your favourite tool, that is, isn't it?
No. You are.
How did I know you were going to say that?
Anyone would think we scripted it.
No, exactly.
It makes me look like I can weld now.
Well, you can well better than I can tap dance. Oh!
It's just really clean up the spatter. That's good on there.
Pleased with that?
Yeah.
Good.
It's only just a spatter. Yeah, you can see it from beyond.
It's almost like we know what we're doing. Well, like you say, they ain't going anywhere, are they?
No. There's nothing catching my hands, so.
Well, that's good.
So set for that.
By George.
I think we've done it. No, that's for another day.
Jolly good. So there you go.
Here's how not to do.
Both done. We're happy with that. And then we can build them up. I'm a bit dizzy now. Right. that's going to be it for this one. I know it's only a short video, but we've had lots of other pressing things to get on with. We'll see you back either next week or the week after, whenever it is, with more stuff for the cut down. We've got to do what we're going to do next on the bars. Something like that.
No, we've got to make the spacers.
We've got to make the spacers. That'll probably take us another 4 months.
Well, I wasn't going to do them that quick.
Okay. Anyway, thanks very, very much for sticking with us. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, all the normal sort of stuff. So it's bye from me and...
It's bye from him.
That's all, folks.